Hello everyone, this video I will show you our new product. This is KC102. That is a Tuya IR controller. So use this box, you will easily to control your air conditioning or control your TV or control any IR device remotely by internet. And this box uses the Tuya application so that you can use H32B Pro or any Tuya product used by the same application. Use to this box to control your TV, control your air conditioning, and control your relay, and control your switch. Just use one Tuya application. Okay, let's look at this hardware details. Okay, let's look at this KC102 IR controller. So you can see here, there have a reset button at here, and this is the LED indicator, and this is the USB socket. And this is the box. The box appearance as same as the KC868AG, just AG board use the ESP32 module, but this 102 KC102, you can see this is a PCB board inside. So we have designed this board used by this white Tuya module. So this board will use only by the Tuya application for remote control. You can see there are 7 transmit. So the IR signal can send to any different directions to your air conditioning or to your TV or to your other IR device. And this is IR receiver, and this is IR send. And this is the back of the PCB, the LED indicate, and the USB. And this is the reset for configure network of the Tuya. So here you can see this is a PCB board, and let's look at this box. This box you can move this, so that will be very beautiful of the black color. So this is in front, and this is the back, and you can put this box in front of your air conditioning or your TV. So you just connect this USB cable, you can see here, connect with it, and wait for a moment. The LED indicate will be blink, so that is ready to config in the Tuya application. Okay, this is my mobile phone, and this is Tuya application, so I can click open this application. And make sure you have enabled the Bluetooth of your mobile phone. Then you will see that KC102 is displayed. That is scanned this device, and you just click add and input your SSID and the password of your load. So I can just click next. Then wait for a moment that the box will add to this Tuya application. Okay, that is added successfully. We can click down, and you will see that is KC102 in Fred remote box. We can click this button and press add because you have no device. So at these sections you can click choose which is your device you will remote control, such as the TV, air conditioning, fan, lamp, audio, many device. So for example, I can click the air conditioning and the quick match. So you can choose your brand, such as I have used Panasonic air conditioning. And you can just click if you can just click when the air conditioning whether have the voice or whether control successfully. If successfully, just click I can control and press button, and you can press the power. If you can't control it, you just click another one that will change another code. If you choose it can control, so that will be next, just next. And when you finished, you just choose a name such as air conditioning and click OK. Then the Panasonic air conditioning is created. So you can click and you can switch on and off and change the temperature and the cool and the hot and the fan speed. So that will be very easy. Just choose which code you can use. That will be auto-generate the code to your Tuya application. So you can add many devices, air conditioning and the TV and the DVD and other devices. So just press this add. So you can choose many different devices. And in the main window, there are KC102. And if you have H32B Pro controller, so that will list it here. So you can use many Tuya different applications all at this home page. So you just use this one application to control this IR device or control relay controller and other Tuya devices such as the IP camera, security camera, and all by this Tuya application for remote control by internet. Okay, thanks for watching.